Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you my string of turtles. It has grown long, but I've noticed these little things. I think this is the bloom. So my string of turtles are blooming. Honestly, I don't like them. I haven't killed it so far. They seem to be easy to grow, but honestly, there's certain plants that I don't really like. I think I will like them, but then I end up selling them. Let me put it this way. I do not like plants that are messy. They get tangled or too much tangliness, like the string of hearts as well. Not my cup of tea either. I just wanted to share with you how these blooms look like. And they are so, can't barely see the tiny little, it seems to be flowering. My camera will not grab it nicely. You see those little tiny things? Those are the little tiny itsy weeny little bitty little things, little flowers on those long strings, I guess. I can't really see it that well. Anyway, so that is the blooms. So you have to really zoom in to be able to see it, because if you just see it with your bare eyes, you can't really see it. You have to use a magnifying glass to see those little tiny eeny weeny little flowers that you can't barely see. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you the blooms. So these are the blooms, and so far so good. I'm planning to sell it because I do not really want it. Yeah, I'm gonna be selling this one and also the string of hearts. Yeah, I know, call me crazy. Why you buy it for? I wanted to see for myself because I never own one. So this is one experience that you get to experience it and see if you like it or not. And each person has their own taste. I hope you don't get upset because of that. My friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.